What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we're going to do a visual condition report on this 2020 GT AMG with just over 14,000 miles. Starting with the front right wheel, absolutely perfect. I don't see any curb rash on it. Looking at this fender, looks amazing. Here on the side mirror, you have a couple tiny scuffs, but otherwise that looks really good. Here on the door edge, we have one small chip right there. Looking at this wheel, zero curb rash, but we do have a chip in the spoke. And then looking at the caliper, you do have a couple chips as well. And then here on the quarter panel, there's a small scuff there. That is not a chip. It's just a little scuff of some sort. It would probably polish out. I cannot feel it with my nail. The rest of that looks absolutely perfect. And then looking at the front clip, there is no PPF on this car. Looking here on the lower section, you do have some damage right there. Looks like something grazed it, and took off some paint, and then scuffed the plastic. Now you're gonna have a few rock impacts, a few small rock chips, but it's all really minor. I see a rock impact here. The rest of that hood looks amazing. A couple small impacts. A few here on the gloss black. And honestly, on this side, I have zero complaints. I did not find any scuffs, scratches, chips, or anything like that. It all looks absolutely perfect. And then here on the back bumper, it looks really good. There's a couple small scuffs I'll show you in just a second. All of this side looks amazing. Taillights look good. The only flaw is right here on that lower section. A couple minor scuffs. Looking at the interior, it is really, really nice. It's a non-smoker. Here on the kick plate area, a couple small scuffs from getting in and out, and a little ding right there on this metal trim. This seat bolster looks amazing. Very minimal wear. I don't see any other flaws on this seat. Looks really good. The steering wheel has a nice matte finish to it. Those buttons look good. Same there. I'm not really seeing any flaws on the center console. This is a very clean interior. Here on this door panel, I don't see any flaws. All of this looks brand new. This trim has really minor scuffs, but otherwise really clean. Plastic looks amazing. Floor mats look good. You have a tiny scuff right here on that bolster edge. And a little bit of wear on that piece right there. Very, very minor. All the yellow looks amazing. There's very minimal wear on this seat. Super clean. This side of the console looks good. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. I'm not really seeing any other flaws on this side of the car. Here on the engine bay, it looks really good, nice and clean. The battery is from 4 of 23, so it was recently replaced. And all of this looks really good.